Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use the FreshBooks time tracker? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use a time tracker in FreshBooks anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a service-based business, you want to be sure to bill your clients correctly, and with the time tracker built into FreshBooks, you can do that exactly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to use the time tracker, here on the left, you want to go ahead and click on this button, time tracking. It looks like a little clock. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to get these two different options, new entry and start timer. So if you're going to manually enter in time, you want to click right here, new entry. And once you do that, you go ahead and choose one of your clients. So we'll say this one. Here, you can go ahead and add the service that you are working on. So I'll choose this one. If your service is not listed there, you can go ahead and just start typing it in, and you can create a new service right here from the screen. And here you can go ahead and add how much time you are working. So we'll just do 1 hour on this service. And then here you can go ahead and choose the date that you are working. So let's say I was working on Friday. And then here you can go ahead and add notes. So the notes are helpful because it lets you know in the future what you were working on that time, especially if there's some sort of a dispute with that customer. And then you just click on add. And now I logged the time for that one particular customer. Now, if you're going to start working right away, then you can go ahead and click on start timer. And once you do that, it's going to start ticking away. So it's tracking my time right now. And here you can go ahead and add which customer I'm working for. So we'll do the same customer, and then we'll do the same service. And then here is the notes that we were adding earlier. So this is a test time tracking. Okay, so you can go ahead and go about your work just as normal. And then when you're finished, you just want to go ahead and click on log time. All right, so you can see that the time has now been logged and added right here. So it's going to be here in my time tracking journal. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to track your time with FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.